In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge and split cells in Microsoft Word. If you're working with a table in Microsoft Word, you may sometimes need to combine multiple cells into one larger cell or divide a single cell into multiple smaller cells. Microsoft Word makes both of these tasks simple using the Layout tab and the Table tools. To begin, click anywhere inside the table that you want to edit. Once you click inside the table, additional table-related tabs will appear at the top of the Word window. These include the Table Design and Layout tabs. For this tutorial, select the Layout tab. This tab contains several tools that allow you to modify the structure and arrangement of your table. To merge cells, first select the cells that you want to combine. You can click and drag across the cells to highlight the ones you want to merge. Make sure all of the cells you want to combine are selected before continuing. Once the cells are selected, look for the Merge Cells option in the Layout tab. Select Merge Cells, and Microsoft Word will combine the selected cells into a single cell. The content from the selected cells will be combined into the newly merged cell. This can be useful when you want to create a larger area for a heading or organize information within your table. Now, let's look at how to split a cell into multiple cells. First, select the cell or cells that you want to split. You can select a single cell if you only want to divide one cell, or select multiple cells if you want to split more than one at the same time. With the cell or cells selected, go back to the Layout tab and select Split Cells. A dialog box will appear with options for choosing how you want to divide the selected cells. In the Split Cells dialog box, you can specify the number of columns and rows you want to create. Enter your desired number of columns and rows based on how you want the table to be divided. Once you've selected the number of columns and rows you need, confirm the settings. Microsoft Word will split the selected cell or cells according to the values you entered. Using these two options gives you more control over the structure of your Word tables. Merge Cells is useful when you want to combine several cells into one, while Split Cells allows you to divide a cell into multiple rows and columns. And that's how you can merge and split cells in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, and subscribe to the channel.